What language do they speak on Inishmore? Have you ever wondered what language you might hear while wandering the picturesque streets of Inishmore? This enchanting island, the largest of the Aran Islands off the coast of Galway, is a treasure for anyone interested in Irish culture. The primary language spoken here is Irish Gaelic. This beautiful language is not just a relic of the past. It is very much alive and used in daily life by the local community. Inishmore is part of the Gaeltacht, a special region in Ireland where Irish is the dominant language. This means that you will find Irish Gaelic being spoken in homes, shops, and even at community events. The island's commitment to preserving its linguistic heritage is evident everywhere you look. Bilingual signs in both Irish and English can be seen throughout Inishmore, making it easy for visitors to navigate while also experiencing the local culture. While Irish Gaelic is the native language, English is also widely spoken, especially to accommodate the many tourists who visit each year. This creates a welcoming atmosphere for travelers. You can easily communicate in English, but you will also have the chance to hear and learn some Irish Gaelic during your stay. Many visitors come to Inishmore specifically to immerse themselves in the language and culture. The island is known for its traditional Irish-speaking population, making it one of the few places in Ireland where you can truly experience the Irish language as a living part of the community. It is not just a subject taught in schools, it is a vibrant part of everyday life. If you are interested in learning more about Irish Gaelic, there are opportunities to attend language courses on the island. The friendly locals often encourage visitors to engage with the language, enhancing your experience while traveling in this unique part of Ireland. So, when you visit Inishmore, you will find that the main language spoken is Irish Gaelic, with English readily available for visitors. This combination makes Inishmore a special destination for anyone wanting to connect with authentic Irish culture and language.